It's the good stuff. Gotta have it. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. That's right. So we broke the wing on the ZD Racing. Not even a very hard hit at all. This plastic is just very, very stiff. There's not a lot of movement to it. And we just snapped it in half. So I sent this over to Tyson at Garage Life RC. So go check out his website. This wing will fit several models of ZD Racing. So I'll try to put a link in the description of all the models that this wing fits. But check it out. Tyson 3D printed this. Now initially he asked me like what color, and I was like, I think black will be fine. But then I thought about looking at this RC. I mean, we got, well, dang, I thought it was red. It looked red in my picture, but it actually kind of looks red on the camera there, but this is actually orange, but this is red. So we have red accents on here. We kind of have orange there, orange on. Oh well, I guess maybe I should have said orange, but we got red. Dang, I did not realize this was orange, but hey, that's red, this is red, and I think that's gonna look amazing. So let's go ahead. I'm gonna get this thing bolted on. We're gonna take it out bashing and see how durable this beautiful wing mount by Garage Life RC is. All right, check it out. So look, so basically now, if we hit something, which we will, we got some good flex. And this is the one time I can claim my bad jumps are on purpose. Oh, that was pretty good. I'm not gonna like totally just try to wreck this thing out, but we do need to, give this a bit of a torture test. Oh. Man, when you want to go tumbling, you can't do it. There we go. Man, here we go. Half back flip land on the roof. Something sounded a little crunchy in there. Maybe it's like the pinion or something, I don't know. Let's see. Oh, we stuffed that wing. We stuffed that thing in the dirt. I have full faith and confidence in what Tyson produces, but you know, got to be fair and honest. Give everything a fair shake. So we're just gonna beat up my poor RC car to test it out. I'm not gonna actually do too much more of this because figured the factory wing broke like the first time out, or relatively mild hit, and I've already stuffed this thing. Oh God! Oh, that was harsh. That was harsh. Whew. I don't like beating up my stuff, but look at that, guys. Oh, look at that. I think we even bent the wing a little bit. Because look, the wing creased right there, but we didn't break. I mean, look at all the mud caked into here. So, freaking awesome. Oh, look at that. I would say torture test successful. Wait, I don't hear any fans. Did we hit the off button or something? Yeah, I do got that beautiful Castle ESC in here. Nothing crazy, wasn't as expensive as like the Mamba X I put in the FMT 10 because I wanted to run that on 6S. This is the Copperhead. But for such a small ESC, and it's not even rated for, this is kind of, I think, a bit heavier and bigger than what it's rated for. It does a great job powering it. Ooh. I'll tell you what, man, ZD Racing is kind of like one of those slept-on brands, you know? It's not like a Hobby or anything, but I mean, it's good stuff. Not perfect. I mean, the ESC on this thing out of the box had some issues. But see, now that I swapped out the ESC here, and I think even with the cost of putting something in here, another ESC, oh no, oh no, something done brokey. Ah, man, we snapped that friggin' steering linkage. Oh, it's getting it now. No, I don't do that to my cars. I can drive it back gently and not damage it, because I don't want to carry it because my back is killing me. Man, it is windy. It got just the other day I was out here like, oh, it's so beautiful, 68. Ha, you guys up north are freezing. And today is like 45. And the wind is insane. So hopefully this mic is doing its job. And guys, I buy stuff like this from those of you that save my Amazon stores, your homepage. Just go there, save it. Anything you buy on Amazon, I get credit for. Or if you want to buy like this stuff, go to my RC store. If you want to buy that, the ZD Racing, I'll leave a link down below where you can get it. If you want to buy Arma or any of that stuff, check out my links for A-Main and Tower Horizon and all that. Please use that. Helps me buy this stuff and fix my RCs to bring you the content. But hey, look at this, man. We broke the RC, but not the wing. So I think that was a pretty good torture test. We actually broke something, but not the RC. Oh, that sucks too. The end, that rod broke clean in that plastic. I don't think there's any, I'm gonna have to buy the whole. Hopefully I can get it. Well, anyhow, guys, Tyson over at Garage Life RC will have these wing mounts in the video description. I'll put what models that wing mount works for several different models, not just this one. Okay, so even if you have another ZD Racing and you have a mount that looks like that, check it out. It might just fit. And as you can see, I mean, look, we took that thing from at least a good 6-7 feet, stuffed it upside down 2-3 times, didn't break. Broke the RC, we didn't break that wing mount. He makes really good stuff, or I wouldn't promote his stuff. All right, everyone, appreciate the support. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.